guys, so we are setting up the FR-S as a track focus with an occasional drift setup in mind. So we're gonna start by stripping the interior so that we can throw a cage in here and seats, harnesses, all of that. So I'm gonna start by stripping out the car. So let's get recovered from the car, the door card, the fender garnish, the little covering for the rocker, and then just some other kind of miscellaneous pieces. This goes on the bumper. Yeah, just a few things like that. And now I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the car and get all the glass out of there. Car only has one shattered window, but managed to get glass literally everywhere. Actually sliced my hand on a couple pieces just trying to start the car. But yeah, we're gonna clean this up. Okay, so once I pulled out this screw, it's actually super easy to get out. I made it much more difficult than it needed to be. You just kind of push down on this piece and it slides right out. Okay, and then to pull this backrest out, I'm just going to try and get in here and undo this bolt, and then it'll slide right out. Okay. So now we're going to pull out the headliner. I don't have that much left just because this airbag on this side was already deployed, so it pushed it down. But now we're just going to take out the visor, and then this A-pillar is kind of already out, so we're just going to clip off the little ties holding it, and then it should come out pretty smoothly after. Okay, so now I can pull this airbag out. Yeah, It's actually super simple, much simpler than I anticipated. You just kind of pop up this little clip. Yeah. JDM cars, they're easy, I guess. This is new. Here's the, or what's left of the deployed airbag. Kind of the trash pile right now. Secured the bag, boys. This car's insanely difficult to get out of. I don't know, maybe it's just where I'm fat, but whew. So the current progress so far, we have the back seats out, headliners removed, airbags are removed, visors are reinstalled, about to pull the front seats out. Yeah, just continuing the stripping process. Alright, driver's seat is being removed. Let's try and get a decent angle of this happening. I thought I did a pretty good job vacuuming, but there's just so much glass. And then once I pulled the seat out, I also saw that there's more underneath the carpet. So we're gonna at least pull up the carpet somewhat to get the rest of that glass out down there, and all in here, and then over there. Obviously I don't want any of that in the car, so yeah, we're gonna pull the passenger seat, at least lift the carpet so that we can make sure all of the glass is removed. So yeah, let's hop to it.